I'm glad you're all here to watch the show. We get to see a great tool called the Better Resetter. What a great name. Welcome back to the show, everyone. I want to show you a great little tool. It's called the Better Resetter. And we're going to get a close-up look at this little jewel. I got it from a locksmith supply house called Foley Bell Saw Locksmithing online. And you can get both this Better Resetter, and you can also get Kwikset's SC1 resetting little system there. I suggest you get them both, but we're going to look at this Better Resetter. This will reset the Kwikset smart keys, and it will also reset the SC1, so the Schlage smart key. So let's get a close look at this thing and see if it's worth the $37 I paid for it. I think so. So let's look at it. So here's the Better Resetter, kind of close up here. Now this is the KW1 side, and this is the SC1 side. So notice the comb is different on both the ends here, and it's paper thin. So is it worth buying one of these things? Well, I have mixed feelings about it. So here's the instructions, and I highly recommend you look. If you're going to buy one of these things, go ahead and view this video. So it's called the betterresetter.com. So you're going to go straight to their website, and look at it. He says, strongly recommend you view this video. So it's only 5 minutes. It'll show you how to use this tool. And, you know, I think it's kind of important because I had to read his directions on how to reset the Kwikset side, and then he has the Schlage side. So go ahead and view that video, and I highly recommend it. So it's $37. So let's see what this thing will do. But first, we need to see it on the website. So here's the website that you want to go to. It's called Foley Bell Saw. I mean, that's an unusual name. Look, it's on sale even. $37. As a side note, you can go ahead and get their SC1 Smart Key Resetter tool. Highly recommend you buy this. This is much easier than the Better Resetter tool. And you have to have this tool anyway. So get this from them as well. Or you could just buy this tool, but you know, it's kind of nice to have everything in your arsenal just in case something happens. So let's see this thing in action. This is an SC1, Schlage SC1 cylinder, smart cylinder. If you can find these, they're hard to find. I found it at UHS Hardware. So according to the Better Resetter manual, you put it in a vise, so you're going to have to buy a vise, and you should have one anyway. You put it in upside down in your vise, and you don't want to clamp too tight or you'll crush the cylinder. So he says clamp it in here, and then he wants you to take, you're going to have a blank, okay? So you might as well buy this little unit as well. So you stick a blank in. And now this key does not work it at all. It's just a blank. Stick a blank in, and you don't want this side with the pointy side. That's for Kwikset KW1. So we're just going to push this thing in all the way. Hold it down. You pull the key out. You take the tip of the key, turn it till it binds, and then pull this out. See, it's kind of haphazard. I had to experiment, but I didn't really get it down very good. There it goes. Okay, we're set. So now, as you have it turned, we'll do this again. Pretty haphazard, if you ask me. Just use the cradle Kwikset wants you to use. So you go ahead and stick this in flat. The blank key is in all the way. You pull it out. you take the tip of the key and you bind this tool in the cylinder. Pull this out, and there we go. We're at a 90 now. So you go counterclockwise. Then you have to have a reset little pin like this, or you can use your tip here, and you push in and reset the, hear that click? So this is SC1 smart cylinder is reset, and I'm going to pin it to this little other cylinder I have. Once I get it out of the cylinder, okay, now I stick it in. Now sometimes this does not want to go in, so you got to make sure that you really reset it. Okay, you got to push that little shuttle in there all the way in. Now it's reset. But what a hassle. Do you need this better resetter? I don't know. So let's go ahead and try a Kwikset and see how it works on a Kwikset. All right, now I have a Kwikset KW1 in the vise. So let's just look at that. You stick that in upside down as well. And this is much easier. And you just take, and by the way, this Kwikset KW1 is a better cylinder all the way around. So you take this little tool and you just push the comb sideways. We'll do it. See, this is kind of haphazard. Once you've got it turned, there we go. Once it's turned, now you take its little pin head here, resetting tool, hear the click. You stick in a key, and there we have it reset. So do you need this better resetter? Probably not. The tool is only can be had in a couple of places. It's kind of nice to have every tool in your arsenal, though. It's only 37 bucks, guys, right now. So I mean, that's cheap, right? $37. I don't know. Do you need it? Better resetter tool? I'd probably say yeah. Go ahead and buy it. I love to have these great little tools in my toolbox. You know, you never can have enough, especially if you're out in the field and you forgot everything and you just have this tool. Do you need this better resetter? I'd say go ahead and help the guy out. You know, it's a great little tool. It'll fit nicely in your toolbox, you know, your little tool case that you carry around with you. And you know, what's the best tool anyway? It's one you have. So if you've forgotten this little one from Kwikset, so they make their own little smart key for SC1, and you've forgotten your cradle, right? Well, go ahead and use this comb. You know, I have other combs that will work, a regular hair comb or a lice comb, but you know, this thing is made to do the trick, right? And it has that little tip on the end. So let's help the guy out. Go to Foley Bell Saw Locksmith, and you can buy it straight there, and it's only 37 bucks. So I say get it. It works fine. So please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, ring that bell, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way. Now, you know, you only use a tool like this if you've lost the original key, just to give you a heads up. Thanks for staying till the end, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.